What is actually going on right now? Mark Lee is leaving NCT, and it's not just a random news. This is literally one of the biggest shifts in NCT history, and the way it happened, it feels way deeper than what we are being told. Like, first of all, this is confirmed. He's leaving everything NCT, NCT 127, NCT Dream, and even his contract with SM is ending. This is not hiatus, not unit change, not break. This is complete exit. And that alone should have been enough to shock everyone, but nope. The real reason people are losing it is his letter. Because, bro, that letter was not normal. Not that copy paste that idols usually do, like, thank you, I'll work hard thing. This man was talking about his life, his purpose, his dream. He literally said he spent a long time thinking about what he actually wants, what kind of music he wants to do, who he is outside of the NCT's mark. And that line hit everyone. Because think about it, this guy debuted in 2016, being in multiple units, constantly working, constantly performing. He basically grew up inside the system. So when someone like that suddenly says, I want to find myself, that's not a small decision. That's a breaking point. And the way he wrote it, it felt heavy. Like he knows this is gonna hurt fans. He even apologized, which made it a bit worse because fans were like, why are you apologizing? And wait, it gets more intense. The members. Their reactions were not normal either. They were supporting him, yes, but not in a casual way. It felt very personal, very emotional, like this was something they had already processed for a long time behind the scenes. And Doyle literally had to tell fans to stop speculating fake reasons for his exit, which already tells you fans are overthinking hard. And honestly, can you even blame them? Because nothing about this feels simple. Like, officially, we are told it was a mutual decision for personal growth, a new journey, but emotionally, this feels like a whole chapter just ended. And that's why people are confused right now. Because there's no scandal, no fight, no expose kind of thing. Yet it feels heavier than most controversial exits we have seen. Everyone is trying to find something, and maybe the truth is actually very simple. Maybe he just genuinely wants freedom, space, his own identity. But the way it happened, the timing, the emotion, it's making it feel there's something more. So now tell me honestly, do you really think Mark just left for personal growth, or is there something deeper that we are not being told? Let me know thoughts in the comments.